Hello you guys, and welcome back to another episode of IndepAutoTech.
Today we got a bit of a jewel here. It's a 1996 Ford F250 with a bad wheel bearing. As you guys can see, it's a pretty clean rig, about 123K. As we raise the vehicle up, we'll always do an initial steering and suspension inspection. Upon inspection, I did find that there was a minor play in the tie rods. As you can see here, the minor play in the ball joint is a clear indication that it's wore. It's always good practice to hang the caliper to ensure you don't overextend or damage the brake line.
Well, that's definitely not supposed to happen. It's missing its little retainer screw here.
Use snap ring pliers holding the external snap ring along the axle inside the hub. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the spring clip located in the groove of the face of the hub. You'll need a 4x4 hub socket to break the axle nut free. In this case, I was able to use a straight pick to spin it off. That's going to be it for this video, you guys. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to complete the job and reassemble it. I did not get a chance to film the reassembly of the wheel bearing, so I apologize for that. Actually, I was stuck on another job and we had a different technician reassemble it, so I will post the removal of that. Thank you viewers for taking the time to watch this video. Although I wasn't able to reassemble the job and film it, I felt it was valuable as it can be difficult removing these front hubs your first time. If this content was useful for you or you just enjoyed the video, feel free to smash that like button, get down there in the comments section below. Leave your questions, comments, concerns, criticisms. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. And we look forward to seeing you again.